Ladies and gentlemen, this video is brought to you by Shades and Trades. Let's talk about the MACD. I made a video talking about the MACD, the monthly time frame MACD. Now we're going to talk about the MACD, the daily version of it. So the signal is the same. There's a white line and a yellow line. When the white line crosses over this beautiful yellow line down here, the stock price is expected to surge higher in a bull market. So let me remove all the moving averages here. We don't need this. We don't need the technical analysis either. What we do need is this white line crossing over the yellow line. We don't even need volume. I've never used volume in my life. Who needs to know volume? All you need to know is you go to search for all indicators, MACD, go to Lomez, settings, add it to your chart, and change the diff to white, DEA to yellow. Uncheck this, leave that alone. Change the M here to 4, and you have the exact same setup as your boy Shades here. Now, the genius part of this strategy, using the crossover signal as an entry point, is that it works very, very well in a bull market. A lot of people make the mistake of using the daily time frame white line crossing over the yellow line on the MACD. They use it in a sideways market where it gives false signals, or they use it in a bear market where it gives top signals. But in a bull market, what happens? Everything does what? Right? Everything. You know the answer to this. Why is everyone a genius in a bull market? That's exactly right. Everything keeps going up. And everyone feels like a genius because, oh my God, everything just keeps going up. It's easy money. So in a bull market, it's a very reliable signal. You can see this on IonQ. So white line crosses over the yellow line, and what happens? Stalls here and then surges from 29 to 48.90, basically 49, surges $20. Then it pulls back and the white line gives you another signal right here. There you go. Gives you another signal right here on this green candle. You would have bought the top of the candle. We never assume that you buy the bottom of the candle. That's just not going to happen. By the time you see the signal, it's already moved for that day at least. So you would have bought at 46.51. And then what happened? Right? What happened? What followed? What followed from that? We surged. And we surged from 46 to 58. Right? There was this one guy who told me, oh, that strategy, the MACD strategy, using the crossover as a signal, that doesn't work. You're going to lose a lot of money. And I'm like, well, you must be an idiot, sir, because you might be using it on small time frames. You might be using it on the wrong time frames. You might be using it in a sideways market, bear market. You got to use it on stocks that have a very reliable signal, especially even more so that are in a bull market, right? Look at that. Every time this thing crosses over, we get a surge. So I don't know why it works, but it does. And that's all there is to it, guys. So there you go. That's the entry signal to use in a bull market. Nvidia, same thing, right? We bottomed out at 164. We got a white line crossing the yellow line right here. Well, it was a fake out and we tanked. Because you don't want to use this in a sideways market because it just gives you false signals. Same thing in a bear market, it's just a top signal, right? You got a signal right here. You can see the white line right here. That crossed over and it was a fake out because then it just tanked from 180 to 164. Do not use this in a bear market. Do not use this in a sideways market. Use this in a bull market, right? What happens when it crosses over here? It surges from 177 to 217, finally pulls back from 270 to 197, and we just got the signal recently here on this candle. We would expect this to continue to surge because, we're in a bull market. Until this bull market ends, we continue to take advantage of the rinse and repeat pattern. So if you enjoyed this video, if you got a lot of information out of this, if this is going to help you out, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this.